Good morning, students. Today, students, in chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shape, we will do different types of quadrilaters. So, let's start with its rule. Firstly, in the book, this one diagram is made. You have to complete it. Like parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Parallel means all the opposite sides should be parallel and equal, and its opposite angle should be equal. Clear? Then come rectangle. In rectangle, what happened? Each angle is of 90, means angles are equal. All angles are equal. Angles should be of 90 degree. Clear? And opposite sides are parallel also, because rectangle is a parallelogram also, and in parallelogram its opposite sides are equal and parallel. So answer is yes. This is also yes. All the angles are equal, so opposite angles are equal also, and diagonals are equal or not? Here the diagonals are not equal and perpendicular. Clear? Then we talk about square. Square is also a parallelogram in which all sides are equal, so answer is yes. And each angle is of 90 degrees, so means angles are also equal. Clear? So diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Yes, diagonals are perpendicular to each other, and diagonals are equal also. Now come rhombus. In rhombus all the sides are equal. Clear? Then come trapezium. In trapezium is a quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite side is parallel. Clear? Now on the behalf of this, we do question number 2. Question number 2 is, a square can be a special rectangle. Rectangle, what should be there? Or rectangle, all the sides should be equal. And if the rectangle all sides are equal, it means it becomes a square. So we write, a rectangle with all sides are equal become a square. A rectangle can thought be a special parallelogram. If rectangle wants to become a parallelogram, then its opposite sides should be parallel, and each angle should be of right angle. Means for rectangle the angle should be 90 degree. A parallelogram with each angle right becomes a rectangle. Now see, a square can be a special rhombus. For the square, what happened? All the sides should be equal and it should be of 90 degree. Clear? So you write, a rhombus with each angle a right angle become a square. Then come deeper square, rectangle, parallelogram. All are quadrilateral are made up of line segments. So all are made up of line segment. So you write, all these are four-sided polygons, because polygons are made up of straight lines. So that are quadrilateral only. Now E part. They are saying square is a parallelogram. For the parallelogram, opposite sides of a parallelogram of a square should be parallel. So are they parallel? Yes. So we write, opposite side of a square are parallel, so it is a parallelogram. Now question number 3. A figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length, angles are equal. What type of figure it is? Having equal side and equal angle, that is square. So you write in question 3, a square is a regular quadrilateral. Clear? Only this thing you write in the copy. Now we do exercise 5.8. Exercise 5.8 depends on polygon. Do you know polygon? Poly means many and gon means sides. The figure which is having many sides are called polygons. So polygon is a figure which is made up of straight line and it should be close. Clear? So on the behalf of this, there are some sides of a figure given. If the figure is made up of 3 straight lines, we call it triangle. If it is made of 4 straight lines, we call it quadrilateral. This one figure is also made in the book. If it is having 5 sides, we call it pentagon. And see the figure also, because when they ask you to draw a figure, so you must draw the figures like this manner. If there are 6 sides, we call it hexagon, and if there are 8 sides, we call it octagon. Clear? Now on the behalf of this, we do exercise 5.8. 5.8 question number 1 is, examine whether the following are polygons. If any one among them is not, say why. Clear? So see the first figure. Is this a polygon? No, it is not a polygon. Why? Because it is not closed. So you write A part, it is not a closed figure, so it is not a polygon. Now C, second is a polygon. Yes, it is a polygon of 6 sides. C is a polygon? No, because it is not made up of straight lines. So we write it is not a polygon because they are not made of line segment. Or D part also not a polygon. We write it is not polygons because they are not made of line segments. Clear? Now we do next question. Question 2. Here you have to tell first figure. See how many corners are having. How many corners are there? 4. So it is 4-sided figure is called quadrilateral. And if there are 3 sides, what we call that figure? We call it triangle. So B part answer is triangle. Now C part. How many sides it is having? 5. So we call it pentagon. Now D part. It is having 8 sides. So we call octagon. Clear? So students, today we have done exercise 5.7 and exercise 5.8. In exercise 5.7 we have done different types of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral you know which is having 4 sides. And different types of quadrilateral we done rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, square. After that we done polygons. Polygons we have done different types of polygon that if it is having 4 sides we call quadrilateral. If it is having 3 sides we call triangle. 5 sides we call pentagon. 6 sides we call hexagon. And 8 side it is having we call it octagon. Clear? So I hope you understand. Now we do question number 3 now. Draw a rough sketch of regular hexagon. Hexagon you know which is having 6 sides. And connect any 3 of its vertices. See how. If I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a hexagon. Give it any name. A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? Then connect any 3 vertices. If you connect, what becomes triangle. Now see, this side is in hexagon, all sides are equal. When they are equal, so this side will be a bigger one. So it is having which type of shape? Isosceles. So you write, you make a figure. It is a solution 3. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon and a triangle thus formed by joining A, E, F is a isosceles triangle. Clear? Similarly, we do question 4. Here you have to make an octagon, but draw a rectangle by joining any 4 vertices. Octagon mein you will make like this manner. Then you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a regular octagon, and if you join any 4 vertices, clear, it make a rectangle. So H, C, D, G is a rectangle. Then come 5th one. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of a polygon. Mean you have to make a polygon. It is not a side of a polygon, it should be a polygon. And draw a rough sketch of firstly the pentagon and draw its diagonal. See. We have made a pentagon and its diagonals are AD, BE. Join all the diagonals AC, BE and BT. Clear? So I hope you understand today's lecture in what is polygon, what are quadrilateral, different types of quadrilateral and different types of polygons. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice